Hello and good morning, everyone. Today we have college writing book. So we're going to discuss about the structure of a paragraph. So in this unit, you will learn the definition of a paragraph, the parts of paragraph, how to identify and write a topic sentence. So what is a paragraph? As you'll learn in Unit 1, a paragraph is a group of sentences about a single topic. Together, the sentences of a paragraph explain the writer's main idea, most important idea about the topic. In academic writing, a paragraph is often between 5 and 10 sentences long, but it can be longer or shorter depending on the topic. The first sentence of a paragraph is usually indented, moved in a few spaces. So guys, this was the definition of paragraph. Let me have a short definition for that. Guys, as I have told you guys before, the paragraph is made up of several sentences, like between 5 and 10 sentences, and it can be longer or shorter, and it contains like several parts that we're going to discuss that tonight. Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah. Understanding the paragraph. Read this paragraph. It's a beginning of an article about Indonesia in a student newspaper, then answer the questions. So this is a paragraph that we are going to read that and explain that. What is this? And the parts of the paragraphs to you. So guys, let me tell you another thing. Mhm. Firstly, we're going to discuss about the sport. Then I will show you the sports on that paragraph. Okay. So paragraph organization. What makes a paragraph? Okay, a paragraph has three basic parts. The first one is the topic sentence. This is the main idea of the paragraph. It's usually the first sentence of this paragraph, and is the most general sentence of the paragraph. So as you heard about it, that paragraph is made up of three basic parts: topic sentence, supporting sentence, and concluding sentence. What is topic sentence? The topic sentence is the main idea of the paragraph. It's usually at the first, at the top of the paragraph, and like it's the main idea and general sentence and what all or this paragraph is talking about. Okay, it's also highlighted here. Let me just highlight you that. Like from this port to this port is called what? Is called like topic sentence. And what is the second one? It is the supporting sentence. These are sentences that talk about or explain the topic sentence. They are more detailed ideas that follow the topic sentence. From here until here is supporting sentence. Supporting sentence are those ones that are supporting the main idea or the topic sentence. There are some ideas or detail, maybe some examples or evidence that is talking about the first the topic sentence, okay, or the main idea of the paragraph. It's supporting what? The main idea. Okay, that's it. And so what the third one is the concluding sentence. This may be found as the last sentence of a paragraph. It can finish paragraph by repeating the main idea or just giving a final comment about a topic. So guys, this part from here until here is concluding sentence. So what is concluding sentence? It's the last sentence or the last part of a paragraph, which is talking about what is all this paragraph is talking about. It can be your main idea. You can repeat your main idea here, or just add some comments or feedbacks. You can add that at the end at the part of a concluding sentence. Okay, so let me show you guys that in this paragraph. So first of all, I want to read that for you. Let's start. Indonesia, something interesting at every turn. If you dream of traveling to a country with a beautiful typical islands, wonderful food, beautiful places to go sightseeing, and a very friendly people, you should visit Indonesia. hmm So, guys, from if you see until no, Indonesia, sorry. Let me just clean up this for you. Yeah, until Indonesia. This is a topic sentence. Okay, this is the main idea of the topic. Why? Because this sentence is the main idea and the core that is all paragraph is going to talk about. Let's see the other part. If you look at the map, at the first thing you notice in the Indonesia is made up of islands, and the main idea or the topic sentence it's also about talk about the islands, okay, and more than 17,000 of them traveling between islands by boat is a great fun. So wonderful. It's talking about wonderful places. So yeah, and just like the many islands you are traveling between islands, by boat is a great like fun. Just like the many islands. So this part is also talking about what? It's talking about how like places to go or sightseeing. Okay. Just like the many islands, there are also different groups of people living in Indonesia. So it's in the main idea we also told about the people that they're very friendly. Yeah. So it's also supporting what the main idea or this like the topic sentence. So, in fact, there are around 300 different ethics. Most of Indonesia are Malay, but others are Javanese, Balinese, Chinese, or Indian. All these grouped together make Indonesian culture very interesting. So, this part from if you look until interesting is supporting sentence. This part is supporting the main idea or the topic sentence. Okay, so from finally from until the vacation, it's what its concluding sentence. It has like added the main idea as you see, and also some comments, some feedbacks here. So it's a concluding sentence. It have conclude or summary that all this topic or this paragraph is talking about. So we call this one a concluding paragraph. And also this part, let me circle that for you. This part is going to be your homework. You should tell me that what is the topic sentence or what is the topic of the paragraph, what is the main idea about the topic, and what ideas help explain the main idea. Okay, you should work that yourself and send it to your homework group. This part is your homework. Okay. So have you have all we have already discussed about this one. This is just an example for that. You can read that with yourself. This is very easy. This is the parts of the paragraph. Like at the first time, it said my friend has many different hobbies, such as skiing, cooking, and playing the piano, and she is very good at these all activities. So this is a top sentence or the main idea of the paragraph because it's talking about what it's talking about like what this his friend it can do. So this all the paragraph is also just supporting the supporting part, and the other part is concluding sentence or the concluding part. Okay, page page 14. This part is your homework. You should that work that yourself and circle them. See, circle the topic sentence, underline the main idea about the topic. Okay, so you should find these ones and circle them. This is your homework. You should do that with yourself and complete this blank space. This part, page, let me see, page 14, page 15, and page 16, it's review. You should review lessons from part 1 until part 3, all of them. These parts are all your homework. You should work that with yourself and send it to your homework group. And if there was any question regarding the lesson, you can ask me freely.